Are you crushing on someone who doesn't seem interested in you? Do you find yourself struggling to get their attention or wondering how you can make a connection with them? If so, you're not alone. Attraction can be complicated, especially when the feelings aren't mutual. However, don't worry. In this video, we'll share some practical tips and strategies that can help you win over the heart of your crush, even if they don't seem interested at first. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the exciting journey of learning how to get someone to like you. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's start. Number 10. Be noticeable. If you want to attract someone's attention, it can be tempting to go all out. However, sometimes the best approach is to simply make yourself noticeable. By doing things around the person you're interested in, you increase your chances of being seen and possibly sparking their interest. For example, if you work in the same office, you could try sitting closer to them during group meetings or participating in group conversations where they're also present. If you're at a party or social gathering, you could stand or sit near them and engage in activities that might pique their interest, such as playing a game or participating in a discussion. However, it's important to strike a balance between being noticeable and being respectful of their space and boundaries. If you go overboard and try too hard to get noticed, you may come across as desperate or attention-seeking, which could have the opposite effect of what you intended. By being yourself and letting your natural qualities shine through, you may find that you attract the attention of the person you're interested in without even trying too hard. Number 9. Ask for their help or offer yours. Breaking the ice and starting a conversation with someone you're interested in can be nerve-wracking. But don't worry, there's a simple and effective way to do it. Ask for their help or offer yours. By asking for their assistance, you're showing them that you value their expertise and opinion. Conversely, by offering your help, you demonstrate your willingness to make their lives easier and show you care about their well-being. Imagine you're in class or at work with your crush. Ask them for help with an assignment or offer your assistance on a project. By doing so, you're initiating a conversation and showing them that you're interested in their work. This simple gesture could be the start of a beautiful connection and potentially lead to a relationship. Number 8. Be happy and cheerful. Have you ever been around someone who just radiates positivity and happiness? It's hard not to feel drawn to them, right? Well, that's because being happy and cheerful can be incredibly attractive. When you're happy and positive, you exude a certain energy that people are naturally drawn to. They want to be around you and soak up some of that positivity for themselves. So if you're trying to attract someone, try to cultivate a happy and positive attitude. Smile often, laugh freely, and focus on the good things in life. You'll find that people will naturally gravitate towards you, including that special someone you've been eyeing. For example, if you're at a party and you see the person you're interested in, make an effort to be outgoing and sociable. Be the life of the party and make people feel good. Your crush will be impressed by your infectious energy and positive attitude. Remember, being happy and cheerful is not only attractive, but it's also good for your mental health and overall well-being. So make an effort to cultivate positivity in your life, and you'll see the benefits in more ways than one. Number 7. Self-care. Caring for yourself is essential for both your mental well-being and how others perceive you. When you feel confident about your appearance, it can positively affect your mood and self-esteem. For example, suppose you have a date or intend to meet someone new. In that case, it's important to dress in something that makes you feel comfortable and confident. The clothes you wear should reflect your personality and make you feel confident instead of trying to fit in with societal expectations. Moreover, good personal hygiene and grooming are crucial aspects to consider. This could involve taking regular showers, brushing your teeth, and keeping your hair neat and clean. You should choose to style your hair to flatter your face shape or add some personality. Additionally, wearing a little bit of makeup can help accentuate your features and make you feel more confident. By prioritizing self-care, you're conveying that you value yourself and have confidence in who you are. This can make you more appealing to others, but more importantly, it can help you feel good about yourself and promote a positive self-image. Number 6. Sharing common interests. Sharing common interests is a great way to bond with someone and create a meaningful connection. When you have similar hobbies or passions, it can provide a foundation for building a relationship or friendship. For example, if you meet someone and discover that you both enjoy visiting museums, you might suggest checking out a new art exhibit together. When you share common interests, it can help create a sense of connection and understanding between you and the other person. This can make them more likely to be interested in getting to know you better and potentially pursuing a relationship. Additionally, participating in activities together can help create positive memories and shared experiences, which can further strengthen your bond. Number 5. Be patient. Being patient is an important factor to consider when trying to attract someone who may not initially be interested. Rushing or pushing too hard can come across as desperate and may cause the other person to pull away. For example, suppose you're interested in someone and have been spending time with them, but they haven't expressed any romantic interest. In that case, it's crucial to give them space and allow the relationship to develop at a natural pace. You could suggest hanging out again sometime in the future, but don't push them too hard or pressure them into making plans. It's important to keep in mind that relationships take time and effort to develop. By taking a patient approach, you're allowing the connection to grow organically, which can lead to a stronger and more meaningful relationship in the long run. Number 4. Use social media. Sending a friend request on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram can be a great way to connect with someone you're interested in. It's important to approach this step with care and not come across as too pushy. If the other person accepts your friend request, take some time to get to know them better by interacting with their posts or sending occasional messages. However, it's important not to bombard them with constant messages or demands for attention. Instead, focus on building a genuine connection and showing that you're interested in getting to know them as a person. Try to find common ground and engage in conversations that are meaningful and authentic. For example, if you see that they've posted about a particular hobby or interest, you could comment on their post or send them a message asking about it and showing a genuine interest in learning more. Number 3. Be approachable. Being approachable is a sign that you're open to meeting new people and engaging in conversation. So how do you become more approachable? First, be aware of your body language. Make eye contact and smile. Second, be open to meeting new people. Imagine yourself at a cozy coffee shop and your eyes catch a glimpse of someone who piques your interest. However, you must figure out how to initiate a conversation without sounding too aggressive or overbearing. One way to make yourself approachable is to make eye contact and smile. This gesture signals that you're friendly. If they reciprocate with a smile, they may be open to talking. You can say something about their clothes or coffee. If they are reading a book, you can talk about the book. Take advantage of the opportunity to spark a conversation. Number 2. Show your interest. If you want to attract someone, showing your interest is a great way to do it. When you genuinely show interest in someone, it makes them feel valued and appreciated. It can be as simple as asking them about their day or their hobbies. One easy way to show your interest is by being an active listener. Encourage the person to share more about themselves by asking open-ended questions. Listen carefully to their responses and show enthusiasm and curiosity. You can even offer feedback or ask more questions to keep the conversation going. Lastly, make an effort to remember things that the person has shared with you. If they mentioned a hobby or an interest, bring it up in a later conversation to show that you remember and care about what they have to say. This demonstrates that you're invested in the person and their life. Number 1. Be consistent. It's true that consistency can be a powerful way to attract someone and build a strong, healthy relationship over time. When you are consistent in your words and actions, you demonstrate reliability, trustworthiness, and commitment, which can be very attractive qualities. It's also worth noting that love can sometimes take time to develop and that relationships can evolve and change over the years. If you are patient, open-minded, and willing to put in the effort to build a strong foundation for your relationship, you may find that true love is possible even after years of knowing someone. However, it's important to remember that attraction is complex, and there is no single right way to attract someone or to find true love. While consistency is certainly a valuable trait, it's also important to be authentic, compassionate, and communicative, and to work on building a deep and meaningful connection with the person you are interested in. Now, you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you how to know if they like you back. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.